The previous video was how to apply eyeshadow for beginner, single shadow like matte eyeshadow, and this time it is an eyelash tutorial, how to apply eyelashes, falsies, how to apply false eyelashes like the strip lashes. The lashes, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Diana. I know I do beauty videos here and I share things about my life, just fun videos, guys. And if you like my face already, please do me well by subscribing to this channel, like this video, comment, please comment, let me know in the comment section. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and please follow me on my social pages, like my social media. I will leave the link down below, my Instagram and everything. And then finally, you can also check me out on my blog. I have a blog where I review skincare products, so please, you can also check that down below. So the eyelashes I'll be using today is lashes I got from Zikio Cosmetics. I've reviewed these lashes before on my channel and I'll leave the link somewhere here or here. And since that review, I have not remembered to use these lashes. I have a lot of lashes. I buy lashes a lot and I've not used this, so this will be like my second time using these lashes. So this one we'll be using for this tutorial. The second thing you will need is glue. I use normal bonding glue for hair. That's what I use on my eyes because I have other glues here. I've tried them out, but my lashes just don't want to stick, and when it sticks in like 30 minutes it's already pulling off. So this one has been tested and trusted, and if you want to use this, go ahead, and if you do not, you can use any other glue. So glue is very important. Then you need tweezers. Oh, I have line now on my hand. You need tweezers, and also you need, or you could use your hands. Most of the time I use my hand. For the purpose of this video, I'll be teaching you guys both with tweezers and with my hand. So let's take the lash out of the pack. You can use any lash, but this particular tutorial is for strip lashes, not the individual lashes. If this video does well, maybe I'll teach you guys how to do individual lashes. I really don't know which one of these lashes I would like to use on my eyes. I think I like this one. It's looking very scanty. And guys, one of the reasons why I haven't used them is because of the length. Like, they're so long. Okay, let's use Pearl, the first one, and it's very thick. Let's use Ivy, the second one. I think that's the one my spirit is calling me to. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to first check the lash to see if it actually matches your eyes. Like, put it on your eyes and see if it matches the length of your eyes. I have a wide eye, so I do not mind the length. The second thing would be this extra band they have here would be to cut it out. Okay, you need to cut that out, and after doing that, you need to wrap it around your hand. I learned this from Oma Bell. Wrap it around your hand to have that curved nature. A lash is supposed to be curved, and sometimes playing with your lashes, or when you just buy them, you see what I mean, it has curve now, so it's easy. So the next thing would be to apply my glue. I normally place, if you have the tray to use it, fine, no problem. This is a ghetto kind of tutorial, like I'm doing, this is being real, okay? I'm not trying to come and form anything here. So here, put the glue there, and then I'm going to use the end of my brush. I would pick the glue like this and then apply it on the lash. Okay, apply it on the lash. I like to generously apply the glue. I know they tell you put a very slim just a slim film on the body on your lashes, very little, and then they say let it get tacky before you apply. If you are using proper lash glue, yes, you need to let it get tacky before you can stick to your eyes. But with this one, what I noticed, the easiest way for me to do this is to just apply it and apply it on my eyes and let it get tacky on my eyes. I learned this from a salonist that did my eyes. Okay, now there is a front of the lashes and the back of the lashes. The front of the lash, where it's supposed to be on your eyes, is where you should apply glue to, okay, not the back. Then pick your tweezers, hold your tweezers at the middle. Look for the middle of the lashes, guys, like this. At the middle, okay? At the middle, like so. Then place it on the middle of your eyes. That is the easiest way, guys, the middle of your eyes. Okay, look down, have a mirror, place your mirror horizontally like this, and then look into the mirror and place it, okay, on the middle of your eyes while the glue is still not tacky yet. That's all. At the middle of your eyes, okay? Then now you can now start playing with it. Okay, we are going to pick this one and place it. And you also want to place it, you know, as close to your lash line as possible. Okay, as close to your lash line as possible. So continue to adjust it until it is very, very close to your own natural lash. Okay, I made my wing liner very thick, and it was because that there's no demarcation between your line. I don't know why this lash is looking so weird. I can remember then I used mascara on this lash, so that's why the mascara is still on it. Let me see if I can clean it with my face wipe. So guys, that's it. I went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup, and this is what we're looking like right now. Okay, this is how our lashes are looking. For liner, guys, just make sure you have liner on your eyes, and if there's any form of mistake, the liner would cover it. But on this one, there's no mistake. I got it perfectly well. But you'll find out that when you are starting, you'll be seeing gaps in between your eyes and the lashes. You know, it takes a while to get it, but if you get it the first time you try, okay. And have this at the back of your mind that there's no lash guru on this world. No matter who they are, there is no lash guru in this world. Okay, there's nobody that knows how to do their lashes perfectly. Okay, so do not be discouraged when you try it the first time, it doesn't work. Try it the second. Let me tell you guys a secret. Even when I do tutorials here, sometimes I have to apply my lashes 3 times, sometimes even 5 times on a bad day. Sometimes the first try I get it. So don't beat yourself up. Don't feel bad if you actually did not get how to apply your lashes at the first try. So do not be discouraged. I hope I've been able to help 1 or 2 people out there. And if you like this tutorial and you want to see more videos like this from me, please give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and till I come your way again next time. Bye.